What's up YouTube? This is B-Side Investing. So this is our 10x 10k challenge video, so let's get into it. We are looking at $6,100 and 6168 and down about barely 0.2% and $13. We were up a high of about $7,084. So let's see what happens, right? So bingo on the day was down 12.68%, and after hours it's still down. Now this is not the only genomic stock that's down. I feel like there was really good news that came out today, but the stock didn't react to it because it seemed like all the genomic, like I want to say small to mid cap genomic stocks were all down. So if you see Ocugen, Sensonic, Zomedica, and yeah, so these were down on average about 10%. So this is in line in what it is with the market, so not worried about it. We did have a good news, we did have some good news come out. So let's just get into what BNGO did for us today. So we're down $170 and we're still up 300%, so still good. Doing really great. We're down to 24% of the portfolio. Let's just get into this. I just want to make this quick because it's technical and I don't understand it all that well. So I just want to take out key points that I feel like kind of take the gist of what they're trying to say. So BNGO publishes method for identifying genes likely to cause neurological diseases based on a model developed by Lineagen to improve interpretation of variants of unknown significance. So Lineagen is a company that they bought, that they acquired a while ago. So it says that BNGO announced the publication of a study by its Lineagen team that describes the first genome-wide model to assess and score nearly all protein coding genes based on their likelihood to cause central nervous system disease. So that's CNS disease. So these advances, now you'll have to read the gist of it here, because it gets really technical and I don't want to bore you with all the reading in between. So may make it possible to better study the complex molecular mechanisms for conditions such as autism spectrum disorder and other disorders of childhood development, which are often caused by a combination of genetic variants affecting multiple genes and pathways. So Eric Holman, the CEO, said that when combined with the power of optical genome mapping with Sapphire, we believe neuroscientists could detect all SVs genome-wide and score them to make new discoveries. So you'll have to read this article to better understand what they did and what they're expecting out of this, and you will have a better idea and understand. Hopefully you understand by reading it. I'm not a science buff, so I'm not going to understand even if I read it carefully. So there's too many technical terms out there. So let's just get into our crypto plays. So HIVE was down on the day, as was Ethereum. So Ethereum hit a low of about 15 or 16. Let's see. Ethereum to USD. So it hit all the way down to 15, high 15s, okay. But it did recover. That was just when the market opened, right? So we did expect a pullback because we were running high as of late. So this was kind of expected. And also with these crypto plays, you should expect a yo-yo thing. Like one day it'll go really high, one day really low. So just be patient and know that it will do well. So now with HIVE, right? So HIVE in here we are down 7.65, like I said. We did go up in the morning and then got that low, and that's what put us down. We're down $184, and our percentage of the portfolio also went down to 36. I'm emphasizing the percentage of portfolio because we have a new contender coming up to take majority. So in total, we're up 146%, about a $1,300 gain. So still doing good. Nothing to panic about. I don't really panic with this challenge because with the way crypto, Bitcoin, and Ethereum is performing, I feel like I might end up completing this challenge in like 2 or 3 weeks, maybe less. So we'll see how that goes. Let's get into Bitfarm. Now Bitfarm, we did, let's see, we went all the way up to, I want to say about close to $9, and it did come back down. So yeah, almost close. Yeah, this is kind of ridiculous because our investment is not that high, but our percentage gain on this is ridiculous, just as much as our gain from the stock. So 161% gain and $198. Yeah, so 1% up on the day, and the trade did halt in the morning, so I saw that come out. And there's nothing good or bad about it. It's just, yeah, they just gotta adjust. So Bitfarm, we are expecting it to go to about 40s to 45, I think. Yeah, I think this is coming up really well. So just in 5 days, we've kind of doubled almost. And I have a chart, and also I have a comparison for the day activity for the crypto stocks that I'm watching. So I'll show a comparison of that close to the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. And let's get to the main one, Hut. We had a big news come out, partnership. That's why it kind of outperformed. When I say for its market cap size, it kind of outperformed all of them, and it stayed above what Bitcoin was doing, so performed really well. We're up 22%, up to 13, and at a high of about 1560s. So percentage of portfolio, now we're seeing 34%, so this should increase, and we should see a new king in our percentage portfolio. But in general, I believe Hut is my biggest crypto play, so a lot of room to grow. Let's see, 172% gain at $1,300, and today we're up $382. So this is what's keeping us afloat in comparison to other stocks that we have. So that's why we're only down about minus 0.2. We could have been down a lot more, but we have undervalued mining stocks, so that's why we're not as down as we should be, right? So, and let's see, Hut, they also had halt as well, trading halt today. So I don't want to get too much into this because I'd like to make a video on this. I think it requires a deep analysis, kind of my touch to it at least. So it says that it's a global and Canadian first. Hut8 mining signals bold energy and blockchain innovation play through exclusive with global energy partner Validus Power Corp. Now they say global energy play, but then I don't know how global they are because these guys are based out of Hamilton. It's just outside of Toronto, so, and they're gonna help Hut mining with their power efficiency. So, and it says that cutting edge relationship could fuel the first true fusion of energy technology and fintech in the cryptocurrency industry and lead to powerful energy solution in Canada and globally. So a great partnership. I feel like they do need to partner with a energy provider. So And also, kind of like what Marathon is doing, they do have a partner down there in the States, and I believe their kilowatt was about 28 cents per kilowatt. So now that Argo is partnering and they have a 200 megawatt facility coming up with their cheap renewable energy, they should also be getting about, I want to say 30 cents in the range of 30 cents, give or take a few cents per kilowatt. So, and let's see. So Bitcoin currently 54K, and Ethereum is also rising up. And let's see, market cap, not much movement from the last time I checked. We're seeing, okay, mining profitability still the same, around 34 cents. And actually Ethereum mining profitability has gone up from 13 to 15 cents a day per mega hash. So Hive is making a lot of money. So that's why I like the hybrid of what Hive has. Hive has Ethereum Classic, and Bitcoin. So it's a nice combination, nice mix of mining. So with the mining profitability per miner, so right now we know that Marathon should be getting the S19 Pro, so $42 per day is pretty good. It's probably one of the highest, except for the Wealthsimple Trade M30S++. So yeah, really good. Profitability has gone up. So right, so the let's see where it is. There we go. So this is what I wanted to show you, right? So we're looking at Riot in comparison with other cryptos that I was looking at. So Marathon, Hive, Hut, and Bitfarm. Wanted to add Argo, but it's not. It's only letting me add 5 at the time. So we'll go 5 at a time, and we'll cut out the lowest, most negative one is Marathon. So okay, so Marathon on the day. Hut had a big news, so that's why it's up in the positive. Bitfarm stayed positive. Marathon took a hit, and comparison with the 5-day. In 5 days, you see that Bitfarm and Hut are moving a lot, 40 and 62%. So in comparison with Marathon seems to be dying down now. They are kind of overvalued in terms of their hash rate to market cap. So if we look here, I have this chart. This is comparing market cap with hash rate. So Hive and their market cap, but this is also, we can't really compare this to just Bitcoin, right? Because they mainly do Ethereum. So we'll leave Hive out of this, but Hive is getting their market cap to hash rate. Hut, look at this discrepancy right here. Hut has a lot of room to grow. If Riot is more, just a bit more than their hash rate, I'm just looking at the graph and saying, I'm not looking at the number, right? So, and right now, Riot is the biggest in terms of market cap at 4.3 billion. So the orange, the numbers here in thousands, these are in millions. And the blue is the hash rate. So it's this value right here. DigiHost, I added DigiHost because I have DigiHost. I own DigiHost, so I'll show you DigiHost, how much they performed. They performed really well today. So, and Argo is also looking good, but Bitfarm and Hut, that's what I'm saying. It's these two are really undervalued at the moment. And this is updated today's, not a few days ago, today's at close. These are the value. Yeah, this is not including Bitcoin hodling or Ethereum hodling. This is just hash rate to market cap. So that's why I'm saying Hut8 and Bitfarm has a lot of room to grow. I believe at least Bitfarm has another $1.2 billion to go. Actually, no, they have at least, they can go up to 3.5 billion. And we can expect Hut to go, yeah, to at least 3.5, 3.7 billion. So the price is definitely going to shoot up too. So keep an eye on that. And maybe you'd like to invest in Hut8 and Bitfarm, or maybe Hive. I did pick up Hive as well today, so because we saw a decline, and I thought it was a good chance to pick it up. So yeah, definitely think about that. And okay, well, let's end this right here, because this is getting way too big. Okay, this is going for way too long. So yeah, so I hope that was kind of informative. Please feel free to like and subscribe. Also, please know this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Alright, so I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and peace.